Our scheduling system has gone through a serious upgrade, mainly driven by clients that are taking Authentise into serious production. That means respecting the nuances of a shop floor, like shifts, acknowledging that new builds or production processes won't be started when people aren't in the building. This makes the schedule forecast much more reliable. First, you'll be able to set a workstation default duration for an operation. Next, you can enable labor-enhanced workflow to specify the labor needed for scheduling and set default labor duration if necessary. On the right side, you'll be able to make a schedule of labor available, setting days and times for the workstation. Of course, this needs to be editable in an order. Fortunately, users already get the option of defining labor times separately from workstation time at the line item level. We're now also using those times to define the schedule too. If you have a part that you know will take less time to process than usual, then you can now quote for that saving and make sure it's recorded in the schedule. Learn more about Authentise's platform and its features in the upcoming videos.